This fucking bird keeps flying into our window, our door window. See if he'll do it again. He's frustrated because he can't find a partner. But it might be because he's uh, demonstrating all of his smeared shit. You can't see it in the shot, but his smeared shit on the window to all the ladies, and they might not be a fan of that. Okay, the fucker's done it like 8 times in a row. If he's gonna stop when I hit record, that's gonna piss me off. He missed. But he was there. Not this time. Alright, let's give him another minute. Hey.